constituents.
It's a general election, and that general election is for the whole people. People need change. They voted for them. They didn't see why they voted for them. There are a lot of things their expectation, no employment, more especially this issue of water. Because whatever you can do in Duku, more especially within that Duku town, if you didn't bring a solution for the water scarcity, you are nothing. They have been promised a lot of projects, doing project without without completing all this. There are a lot of abandoned projects, which the woman, the former member did. She could not even complete it. More especially the issue of that. That is why I took that water scarcity problem as my priority.
Honourable in order to ensure that his constituents benefit from the dividend of democracy through the sponsorship of bills that can be proposed to allocate more resources to education, funding for infrastructure development, teacher training, classroom materials, and technology integration.
For now, I have sponsored about 3 bills, 2 in first reading. The other one have even gone to the second reading, which is the most important one. It's a bill for an act to amend the Colleges of Education Act 2004 to establish Federal College of Education Special in Duku. Because this is another issue that all our people, and Duku local government is one of the longest local government that was created since 1976. But it's in Gombe State, it's oldest local government, but it doesn't have any higher institution. So everybody is clamoring to have at least a higher institution in that. All the previous people that have came, they have tried, but they couldn't take it far. They didn't, it was not succeeded. So that is why I took it. We initiated the establishment of this Federal College of Education Special, because that school, we have in the whole of the country, we have only one school, which is in Oyo State. So we now prepare the bill to make sure that at least we have a second school, that's Federal College of Education Special in Duku, in the northeastern part of the country. So we read it was read the first time. We even went for the second reading of it. It has been referred to the Committee on Colleges of Education, and God willing, we are preparing. I met with the chairman. So hopefully after we resume the Salah break, we'll go for the public hearing and make sure that at least we push it for the third reading before the end of the year. And I am still collaborating with my senator in the Senate to make sure that they to attend before we go for Salah break. It will be read the first time, second time, so that concurrently the two bills, the bill will be going from the Senate and the House, so that at least it may be passed at the same time for it to be forwarded for the President for assent. So hopefully, inshallah, that bill, that school will be established in my hometown, Duku.
One of such critical It is still too early in his representative capacity to award marks to himself. He therefore appealed to his constituents to pray for success in delivering on the campaign promises he made to the 390 polling units of Duku Nafada Federal Constituency. Indeed, Honourable Abdullahi EL-Rasheed's unique approach to the welfare of the people of Dukuna Federal Constituency and his resource management stand him out as a politician who can make dreams come true for his people as the years go by. Honourable Rasheed's mantra